On this episode of Code Blue in America, the breaking news segment. RFK Jr. says he can diagnose children's health issues just by looking at them.
When I was a kid, and I know what a healthy child is supposed to look like. I'm looking at kids as I walk through the airports today, as I walk down the street, and I see these kids that are just overburdened with mitochondrial challenges, with inflammation. You can tell from their faces, from their body movements, and from their lack of social connection. And I know that that's not how our children are supposed to look.
Good evening, America. Tonight, we take a trip into the medical mind of Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the man President Trump trusted to oversee public health. According to Kennedy, forget doctors, forget tests, forget even WebMD. He says he can spot a child's health problems just by looking at their face, posture, and even how they act socially. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it gets more interesting when you remember Kennedy once revealed doctors found a worm in his brain back in 2010. It had actually eaten part of it before giving up and, well, dying. So, if you're wondering how he came up with this new face-reading diagnosis method, maybe it's the worm's lasting contribution to medical science. Critics say this is yet another sign the administration is weaponizing public health. But supporters argue Kennedy is just ahead of his time. Either way, parents everywhere are now wondering if they should schedule a doctor's visit or just send the kids past Kennedy for a quick once-over. So, in this new age of look and diagnose medicine, the best advice might be simple. Stay healthy, stay smiling, and maybe keep a backup doctor on speed dial. And that is the cold truth on Code Blue in America. Only on OGM News. I'm Mama T. See you next time.
All right, friends, here's the deal. We need your support to level up our game. How can you help? Simple. Like, share, and drop a comment. Shower us with your love, your applause, or even your brutally honest displeasure. We can take it, we promise. Your feedback fuels us, even if it stings a little. And before you dash off, go ahead and smash that subscribe button on YouTube. Follow us everywhere: Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. Heck, if you're feeling retro, send us a carrier pigeon or a smoke signal. Stay awesome, stay witty, and we'll see you next time.